Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Brabus Mercedes-AMG G63. The 2026 Brabus G63 takes the iconic G-Wagon to the next level with unmatched performance, luxurious features, and bold design. It's a perfect mix of style and power for those who want something truly unique. Exterior: bold and aggressive. Carbon fiber details, hood scoop, grille accents, and aerodynamic parts improve looks and performance. Wide body design. A wider stance with flared arches and 24-inch forged wheels gives it a powerful presence. Illuminated branding. The Brabus logo lights up on the grille, and LED roof lights add functionality and style. Exclusive colors. Custom paint options like Brabus Shadow Black and Solar Storm Yellow make it stand out. Interior: luxury at its best. Premium materials. Leather seats with diamond stitching and Brabus logos offer ultimate comfort. Custom lighting. Adjustable ambient lighting creates a personalized atmosphere. High-tech features. A 14-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, and 3D Burmester surround sound enhance the cabin experience. Tailored options. Choose exotic finishes like Alcantara, carbon fiber, or rare woods to suit your taste. Performance: incredible power. Engine upgrade. A tuned 4.0L twin-turbo V8 delivers 900 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. Fast acceleration. Goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Impressive for its size. Top speed. Capped at 174 miles per hour for safety and stability. Custom exhaust. Switch between a roaring sound or a quieter mode with the touch of a button. On-road and off-road capability. Enhanced suspension. Adjustable air suspension ensures a smooth ride on highways or rough trails. Off-road ready. Skid plates, locking differentials, and specialized tires make it ideal for tough terrains. Driving modes. Adaptive settings let you switch seamlessly between city driving and off-road adventures. Technology and safety. Driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. 360-degree camera makes parking and navigating tight spots easier. Software updates. Over-the-air updates keep the SUV systems current. Pricing and availability. Starting price from $350,000 with fully customized models exceeding $500,000. Release date. Limited production begins in mid-2026 with orders now open. Conclusion. The 2026 Brabus Mercedes-AMG G63 is a perfect combination of extreme power, luxurious features, and exclusivity. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring rugged terrains, this SUV delivers an unmatched experience. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.